Okay. Okay, so welcome everyone to today's class. Well, as I told you, today we're gonna do something different. I'm gonna show you some activities to practice your English, some activities, exercises, and games that you can do in the Sahuna platform. Okay, please let me know if you can see my screen, the Sahuna platform. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so please everyone enter to this enter to your Sahuna. Okay, this is the main page, and let's go to this part. Actividad de proyecto uno, material de formación. Okay, so please go to your Sahuna profile and go to this part. Here we have fase 1, planeación, fase 2, fase 3, fase 4. Fase 1. You click on this part, fase 1, actividad de proyecto 1, here, material de formación. Okay, so again. Okay, so this is the main page. You go to phase 1, planning, fase 1, planeación. Actividad de proyecto 1, material de formación. Okay, and then you roll to the last part, the last link, English level MCER A1.1. Let me know if you can see this part in your Sahuna. Yes, Daniel, Javier.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Well, here, if you open, if you click on this part, you can see this menu. Here we have some activities. This English level 1 MCER A1.1 is on the learning guide. Here you can see this is in page 27. In page 27, here we can see the activities for the English competency, and this is an activity that you have to do, that you have to practice. Okay, and this is the name of the activity, English level 1. This is English level 1, MCER A1.1. Well, so you open
Teacher,
this. Yes.
what does MCER mean?
Well, this is the acronym. This is an acronym for. Let me see if I remember. It's on the learning. It's on the learning guide. Let me see. But it's an acronym in Spanish. This is the short form for Marco Común Europeo de Referencia para las Lenguas. Okay. Ese es
Okay.
el English level, nivel de inglés, MCERL. I was thinking in English. Es un acrónimo, pero en español. Son las siglas del marco común europeo de referencia para las lenguas. ¿Ok? Es decir, según el nivel de inglés, hay unos temas propuestos para el nivel 1 y esos temas propuestos están reflejados en esta actividad que vamos a ver en la clase de hoy o en estas actividades que vemos acá. ¿Ok? Well, so here we,
Teacher,
yes,
are you
yes,
are you recording this
of
session?
course, I am recording the class. Yes, I am recording the class. Well, here we have 4 sections. For your program, desarrollo de videojuegos y entornos interactivos. Welcome. How often do you study English? The place where I live. What are you doing? Well, let's let's open the first section in welcome. If you click
Welcome. In this first learning activity of the English.work.
Give me just a moment. I'm gonna share. I think I'm not. I think you're not listening to the audio. Give me just a moment. All right. So you click on welcome, and it.
Welcome. In this first learning activity of the English.works 1 training program, you will learn about WH questions,
Yes.
subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive
This is like a
adjectives,
welcome message.
countries
All
and
right.
nationalities, articles a, an, the, professions, and family members.
Okay, so here, this is a welcome message, and here we can see the topics that you will practice in this part. WH questions, what, where, who, when, subject pronouns, I, you, he, she, object pronouns, possessive adjectives, countries, nationalities, articles, professions, and family members. Okay, these are the topics. The grammar. Well, in this part, you can see like an explanation of the topics, of the contents. Here you can see some parts. This is like some menu that you can use to practice. Here in the first part, we have the introduction. The
Introductory
topics.
material. Dear learner, this material will help you.
Here you can silence or you can mute the sound.
Out.
All right. Here. Okay. And this is the first page. Let's go to the second page. Question words. Here we have the question words, the first topic, and here we have the first one. What? The use of this word. Some examples. Where? Remember, we use where to talk about a place, to ask about a place. Examples: where are you from? Where are the books? Where do you live? Next, number 4. Subject pronouns. Oh, look, we just are going to practice what and where, no more. Subject pronouns. These are the subject pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Yes, this is the explanation of the use of these pronouns. Next, examples with some visuals, with some pictures. Number 6, examples. Yeah. Number 7, object pronouns. These are pronouns that are used as an object. Yes, very easy. For example, let me explain the difference between subject pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, and object pronouns I, you. Oh, okay, subject pronouns and object pronouns. Here we have these two types of pronouns: subject pronouns, object pronouns. They're almost similar. I, me. You, you is the same word, but it's different. He, him. She, object, subject pronoun, and her, object pronoun. It, we, us, they, them. All right. So what is the difference? I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna show you this famous sentence. I love you. Yeah. Te quiero. Te amo. Here we have one word, two words, and three words. I love you. Here in this part we have I is the subject pronoun. Okay, I is the subject pronoun in the sentence. Love is the verb and you is the object pronoun. Here you can see I is the subject pronoun and you is the object pronoun. Aquí podemos ver un ejemplo de cómo diferenciar estos pronombres sujetos y esos pronombres objetos. Pronombres, todos son pronombres, ¿ok? Pero estos son sujetos, es decir, es el sujeto de la oración, el que hace la acción. Y el objeto, en este caso el you, es sobre el que recae la acción. Aquí tenemos el sujeto, yo, I. Este I realiza la acción. ¿Cuál es la acción? Love, el verbo amar. ¿Y sobre quién recae la acción? Sobre usted, you. Ok. I love you, yo amar a ti. Yo sujeto, amar, verbo, y el ti o el tú es el objeto. En este caso, un pronombre objeto. Ok. Entonces esta es la diferencia. Ese es el sujeto de la oración, ese es el verbo, y aquí tenemos el complemento, y en el complemento tenemos un objeto que es you, este you, ok, no este. Este sería un pronombre sujeto. Alright? Well, any questions? It's clear? Yes? No questions? Alright, possessive adjectives, country nationalities. Oh, more examples of countries. Yeah. Professions, the articles. Well, here you have a lot of information to practice to improve your English vocabulary. Alright, so this is the introduction. Here in this part, here we have contextualization. In contextualization, you can see some examples in which we apply these topics. In this example, we're gonna practice subject pronouns, object pronouns. Look, nationalities. occupations, the article, places, what else? Well, subject pronouns, object pronouns. Yes, this is the contest. This is an example of the topics. And obviously here you can listen to all the audios.
Welcome to my blog. My name is Sarah Pasolini. I am Italian. I am 20 years old. I am a university student and I am single. I live in Rome.
If you want, you can pause the recording, the audio, and then you
Welcome
can
to
play
my
it
blog.
again.
My name is Sarah Pasolini. I am Italian. I am 20 years old. I am a university student.
If you want, you can take a screenshot. Yes, a screenshot and save it in your phone, in your computer, so you can practice this this test. Okay. 1, 2, another example. 3, 4. Right? Introduction, contextualization, comprehension.
Comprehension. Based.
Well, in this comprehension, you can see like some questions. In this part, we're gonna see if we learned, if we understand the topics. For example, one attraction in Brazil. Tell me, A, B, C, or D? C.
C.
Vicious.
For me, C.
Oh, it's correct. Look, it's correct. Ivan is. Oh, Ivan. Wait a moment. Who is Ivan? We just have to read.
Contextualization.
Yes, this is Sarah. Okay, this is Ivan. I am Ivan Yermakov, I'm 36 years old. I am from Russia. I live in Kazan, an old city in Russia. I live with my beautiful wife and my 2 children. Their names are Nikolai, Yuri. Nikolai is 7 old and Yuri is 5. I am a mailman and my wife is a secretary. Our children go to school. They're very intelligent. I know many people. You need a lawyer, doctor, blah, blah. Well, you just have to read this. Okay, this is Oscar, and this is Laila Pinto.
Comprehension. Based on the.
Okay, now the questions. Okay, now Ivan is single, divorced, widowed, or married. D, very good. D, very good. One attraction in Brazil. Beaches. C, very good. Laura Pasolini. I don't remember. Here, before do the comprehension activities, you got to read the contextualization. Okay? It's very important because here I don't know the answers. I didn't read it as about Laura Pasolini. C. I don't know. D. I is wrong. Correct, wrong. Who is an architect? Ivan? No. Oh, very good job. Keep it up. Okay. Well, let's continue. Introduction, topics, contextualization, examples, comprehension, activities, questions. Practice 1. Okay.
Practice 1.
In practice 1, we have exercise A, B, C, and D. In exercise A,
drag the answer to the corresponding question.
Okay, these are the instructions. Oh, and here we have some questions and answers. Well, here we have 4 questions and 4 answers. We just have to, well, drag. You click on the answer and you drag it to the correct question. What is the correct question for this answer? She's divorced. Tell me, where are you from? What is his profession? How old is she? What is her marital status? D. Laura Bayona, very good. What is her marital status? I am from Venezuela. Laura A. Very good, Laura. I am from Venezuela. He's a psychologist. B. Correct. She's 23 years old. How old is she? Very good. More questions. Because it is warm inside. Where is the stapler? When is his birthday? Or why are the windows open? C. Correct. Why are the windows open? Because it is warm inside. It is on December 22. A or B? Where or when? B, very good. And this is A, obviously. Good job.
Very good job. Keep it up.
Very good.
Practice 1.
Practice 1. Exercise B.
Choose the correct W.
Well, this is a different exercise. We just have to find the correct WH word. Alright. Okay. Let's remember, we use what to ask about things. We use which when you choose between 2 or 3 objects or people. When is about time. Where is about places. Who is about people. Why is about reasons. Why? Why? This is the correct. Why? Tell me, number 1.
No, teacher.
No. Why is not the correct answer? It's not the correct word. Tell me. Tell me the correct word. What, which, when, where, who, or why? What? Correct. What is her name? 2. Kavit Shaikh. Where? Correct. Where? Number 3. Why? Good job. Why? Number 4. When, Laura? Very good. Number 5. Laura Bayona. Javid. Who? have it who, or what. I think it's what. Let's check the answers. Correct. Correct, 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 and correct. Very good. Yes. Okay, here we have more answers. More questions. Well, if you don't remember the use of these words, we can ask the artificial intelligence to explain us. Okay, this is also a very good practice to learn English. We can ask ChatGPT. Here, explain the use of these words. Okay. So here you can see the explanation. All right. Some examples. More examples. Yeah. Oh, here. This is a great summary. What is for a thing? Which is for an option? When is for the time? Where is for a place? Who is for a person? Why is for a reason? Yes. If you don't understand, you can ask ChatGPT. I don't understand. Please explain this to me in an easiest way. Okay? Who, where, when, what, why, which is for options. All right? Oh, here. Yes. If you want, if you don't even understand, you could say, I don't understand. Create an image, infographic. Okay. Well, artificial intelligence, in this case ChatGPT, can explain this topic in many ways. Well, all depends of the prompt that you test on ChatGPT. Well, right? You can ask for examples, you can ask for the grammar structure, you can ask for a translation, you can create, I don't know, in this case I am creating oh, look, here we can see, here we can have an image of the relationship of these words: what, which, when, where, who, and why. Oh, the grammar part and a great summary, you see? And you can download this picture, yes? And you can save it in your cell phone. All right, here. Okay, I think it's a very good infographic of the explanation of the WH words. You can do this with all the topics, with the articles, with the verb to be, with the subject pronouns, with the object pronouns, etc. Okay. Any questions? Any questions, people? Until now?
Nope.
No questions? Okay, let's continue. Introduction, topics, visualization, examples, comprehension, questions, practice 1, questions, practice 2, more exercises. This is about grammar. Here we have the articles. Do you remember the difference between an and a? Yes? Remember? Here, for this exercise, we have some topics. Okay, here says and. Oh, you just have to type the word and. Okay, Robert is an dentist. Daniel says the correct word is a. Robert is a dentist. Continue. He. He's married. His. Very good. His wife is. Correct. A judge. They live in. Correct. A big house. Okay, continue. Here, what is the correct word here? Daniel, Luz, Ruben, Laura, Julian, Geronimo. They correct. The correct word is they. They have 2 children. They live in a big house. They have 2 children and a pet. Correct. Robert works. Yes, Luz is a. The next word. Robert works. Okay, people, the time is up for this video call. I'm gonna stop the recording. I'm gonna stop the class for a moment. I'm gonna send you another link to the WhatsApp group so we can continue the class. Okay, check your WhatsApps. Check the WhatsApp, please, and we'll continue the class in a few minutes. Alright, class, let's continue. Robert works in hospital. Correct. Robert works in a hospital and Carla in an office. The other article and children go to. What's the next word? There are very good, excellent habit. Their children go to a private school. Let's verify this. Yes, excellent, very good. If you want to practice the listening, the audio of this test, go to again. You can go to ChatGPT. You can. Oh no. Let's take a screenshot. Okay, let's take a screenshot of this test. As you can see here, we can't listen to this test. Let me see. No. No. Okay. And with ChatGPT, give me the test. Okay. And after that, just a moment. I'm gonna share the sound. Okay. After that, you can start writing. There's a part here where you can listen to this part. More options. Read aloud here. Read aloud. Listen.
Robert is a dentist. He is married and his wife is a judge. They live in a big house. They have 2 children and a pet. Robert works in a hospital and Carla in an office. Their children go to a private school.
If you want to listen to it again.
Robert is a dentist. He is married and his wife is a judge. They live in a big house. They have 2 children and a pet. Robert works in a hospital and Carla in an office. Their children go to a private school.
Yes. Oh, Spanish. Okay, here we have the translation in Spanish. Very good. Okay, so these are options that you have to practice. All right. So, introduction, contextualization, comprehension, practice 1, practice 2, practice 3. Let's go to practice 3. Here we have more
Practice 3.
Let's see exercise D.
D. Write the profession.
This is a writing activity. Let's. So tell me, people. Don't search on Google. Don't search on internet. Tell me just if you remember. What is the name of this occupation? Firefighter. Okay. Number 2. Tell me number 2, number 3. Oh.
Nurse.
A firefighter or fireman? Oh, here is nurse. Correct. But tell me, firefighter or fireman? What is the difference? Tell me, firefighter or fireman? Do you know the difference? Let's ask the artificial intelligence. Oh, look. The difference is that firefighter is a modern and inclusive, but fireman is older. Firefighter, bombero, fireman, bombero, but the most common expression is firefighter. Fireman is the same word, but it's not so common. Okay, that is the difference. So, firefighter, 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 nurse. Tell me, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 3. Number 3. Don't search on Google, okay? Chef. Number 3, chef. Number 3, look at number 3, architect. Okay. Architect. This is chef. Continue. Number 4, number 5, number 6, number 8, number 9, number 10. Baker, Javid. Baker and driver. The baker, correct. Driver, taxi driver. We have bus driver, taxi driver. Number 6, journalist. Laura Bayona. I don't think so. Number 5 is journalist. Journalist. Number 4. What about number 4? What about number 6? What about number 10? Waitress. Havid Shaikh. Havid. Waiter or waitress? Tell me, what is the difference between waiter or waitress? Havid. Look. Waiter is a man. Waitress is a woman. That is the difference. Okay? Waiter and waitress. So this person is a man. So it's waiter. The gender. Correct, Javi, that's the difference. The gender. The waiter is a man, the waitress is a woman. Tell me, number 4, number 10. Builder. Okay, builder. And number 10. What about number 10? Daniel, Jerónimo, Julián, Laura, Luz, David. Barber, stylist.
Good.
Oh, barber, stylist, or hairdresser. Let's check. Oh.
Very good job. Keep it up.
Oh. I think chef is one F. chef, like this. Chef or chef? Look, chef only has one F. All right, chef. This person, barber. Barber. I think barber, stylist. How do you say stylist? Stylist, barber, stylist, or hairdresser. Oh, look, this is the difference. The barber, he cuts the hair and the beard. The hairdresser, he cut, he washes, he combs, and treats the hair. The stylist, he works with the styles for the hair. Okay, so this is the difference. So I think the correct word is hairdresser. Yeah. Okay, hairdresser. Oh, and here, what is the correct word? Builder. Or tell me, do you know a synonym for this occupation, for this profession? Let's ask artificial intelligence. Tell me more synonyms of builder. We have builder, we have construction worker, we have contractor, we have bricklayer, we have carpenter, we have mason, roofer, handyman, laborer, constructor. Oh, we have many words. You see? Build. I think the albañil, bricklayer, layer. I think that's the word. Yes, Julian. I think the word is because here he's working with bricks. So the correct word is bricklayer. Okay. Thank you, Julian. And pronunciation practice. The last part.
Pronunciation practice.
Here we have more exercises. Exercise A.
A. Classify the following alphabet letters according to their vowel sound. 1 is done for you.
Okay. You have to classify the words. Okay, according to the vowel sound. 1 is done for you. Okay, next. Oh.
T.
Here we have the sounds of the alphabet. The sounds of the consonants. For example, this letter T is the pronunciation E, E, or A.
E.
E.
T.
T. Alright? So this letter is pronounced as E. T. Here we have more examples. V.
V.
B.
B.
Okay. Z. Yes, correct.
Z.
Z. Okay. Yes, Julian, Jerónimo. X is here.
E.
E.
X.
X. I think here we have L. I think we have N. X, L, N, K. This is here. M is here. F is here. S is here. Very good. Excellent.
Very good job. Keep it up.
Exercise A, exercise B, C, and D. Okay. So you can do these exercises when you have time. All right. So here I just want to show you how you can practice English with these exercises. Remember, these exercises are only for the part welcome. Here we have 3 more sections. How often do you study English? The place where you live. Where are you going? Yeah.
How often do you study English?
How often do you study English? Yes. You can see that here we have more activities. The introduction, contextualization, examples, and more exercises. Okay.
The place where I live.
All right. And
What are you doing? In this last learning activity of the English.
Okay, people. So here you can practice. Here you can do exercises. Here you can listen to examples. Here you can practice your vocabulary, your grammar. So I invite you to do these exercises, to use this to improve your English level. Okay, people. Do you have any questions about this? Any questions? It's clear. Yes, everything it's okay. So let's remember these. These activities are located here in fase 1. Let me enter again. Okay, so you enter Saguna. You go to your program, desarrollo de videojuegos y entornos interactivos. You go to the part fase 1, planeación. Actividad de proyecto, material de formación. English Level 1, Marco Común Europeo A1.1. Click on this part, and here you can see the 4 topics. Welcome, how often do you study English, the place where you live, and what are you doing? Okay, so that's all, people. You have this weekend, you have this week to practice these exercises, these sentences, these examples, grammar, vocabulary, listening, writing, etc. Okay, people, any questions? Everything is clear? Yes, everything is okay. You don't have questions? No questions? Okay, very good, people. Remember, if you have any questions, feel free to text me and I can help you with any doubts that you have. Alright, people, so have an excellent weekend, an excellent holiday. This Monday is another holiday. So relax, enjoy with your family, have a good time, have a good weekend, and see you next class. Alright, see you next week. Okay, people. Bye bye, everyone. Jair, Daniel, Jerónimo, Julián, Laura, Bayona, Luz Esmeralda. Have a good night, people. Thank you very much for your participation.